When you picture a drone in your head, chances are pretty good that you picture a Phantom 2. DJI has been making the drone for years now, and the various configurations of it have collectively become one of the more popular quadcopters in the world. So, does it live up to all the hype? We got our hands on a Phantom 2 Vision Plus and took to the skies to see what all the fuss was about. If you couldn't already tell from the name, the Phantom 2 Vision Plus is DJI's most tricked-out deluxe edition of the drone. In contrast to the standard and the Vision Plus sports a number of high-end features, including a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for its camera, a longer video transmission range, a claimed 500 to 700 meters in open areas, and the unique ability to film shooting straight down, which you don't see all that often in drones. This is a pretty stout little drone. Another thing that sets this drone apart from the competition is the level of autonomy it boasts. Using DJI's accompanying mobile app, available for Android, you can opt to fly the drone via waypoints, allowing you to relinquish control and just let the drone fly itself to pins you drop on a map. This, in addition to the drone's auto land functionality, make the Vision Plus a particularly good choice for first-time pilots who might be worried about crashing. This is a pretty stout little drone. Despite being made of plastic, the drone's hull gives only slightly when you twist and turn it, and the arms feel dense and strong. You definitely don't need to worry about the quadcopter losing an arm if it takes a hard landing, unless you drop this thing from 10 stories up onto a concrete sidewalk, which is not an impossibility. Hull damage shouldn't be a big worry. The Phantom's legs, however, are much more flimsy than the rest of the craft. This is most likely by design though. Strong legs add extra weight, so here DJI opted to keep them lightweight, slightly flimsy, and above all, replaceable. If you do break one off, new landing gear can be purchased for just a couple of bucks, and attached with a Phillips screwdriver. You'll want to keep the landing gear in good condition, too. The Phantom's legs are the only thing protecting